model, 2015 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO short wheelbase, diesel SL27dCi 115 business van body, silver, panel van mileage, 98,673 engine, 1,598 CCR9M 115 E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts and runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine needs repairing or replacing gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. It's just been fully serviced with a brand new turbo fitted, but engine started knocking straight away. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: part service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, 6,000.